Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Kus Goiner and you're watching Becoming Kus. And this is day 129 and it was a great day today. Uh, let's get started. Today was one of those chill day but also memorable day where you notice where you does so many crazy thing happens in a day and somehow the day still feels really good. So I woke up around like 10 a.m. in the morning. Honestly, I was kind of tired because lately the sleep schedule has been all over the place. But somehow I managed to wake up just in the time and directly join my job. No proper morning routine, uh, no gym, no productivity master. Just stayed up, opened the laptop every day, and got into the work mode. Yeah, most of the day, like honestly, went into completing my tasks. I need today. I need to deploy a new application we created on the ECR with Docker deployment. So yeah, uh, fixing things and understanding issues. The usual developer lab. Sometimes I genuinely feel like half of my software engineering is just trying to understand why something that work and why these things work and how they are why and how they are done like that and trying to figure out something was working yesterday and today it's not, why it's not working. So but yeah, somehow the day kept moving pretty fast and around 2 p.m. I finally took a lunch break. I was hungry maybe a little bit, but then I was just been sitting continuously for hours. I had my lunch while watching random YouTube videos. Like always, I don't know why, but food generally tastes better. And when you are eating hostel food, then it do require some YouTube watching while you're eating. After lunch, I get back to the work and continue till 7 p.m. Evening. And honestly, by the end of the day, my brain was completely fried. Like you reach that point where even reading one line of code feels illegal. And so after like wrapping up my work, me and one of my friend decided to go out and roam the city for a bit because staying inside the room the whole day was making me feel dead and like bro like the decision literally made my day much better. We just roamed around randomly talking about how college went, life, work, random memories, and had so many exotic dishes today. Like generally today's food lineup was crazy, and I didn't even know the names of half of the dishes we tried, but everything tasted amazing. The one of the dishes I still remember the name is uh, tup- tupka, something like that. It's a Nepali dish, so and honestly, these are the best moment. I really enjoy them most. Not the big achievements, not big events, just random nights thoughts. Live with your friend, with your family. After long tiring day, uh, those small moments somehow feel the best memory forever. And what can I say? Yeah, the city vibes at night also like fascinates me. Lights everywhere, cool breeze. Yeah, today there was cool breeze, and there was a bit more of a traffic because today was Friday night, and everything just was so much rushing like a carnival type of vibe. We stayed out to side till like 11 p.m. and then finally head back home. And yeah, just to say goodbye to him before leaving because honestly it felt kinda emotional in a way. Not like dramatic movies scene or anything, but you know why you when you know when you spend good time with someone, and then suddenly one day and suddenly the one day and you are back in the room, in your room alone, and there's this silent weird silence afterward. Hey, I'm so done being alone. I just can't. So uh, I think the loneliness eats a person mentally, uh, and yeah. So after like coming back around 11 p.m., I didn't really did much productive stuff, but I was just chilling on my on the internet, watching random videos, texting my friends, and watching random content, replying to messages, and basically letting the brain my brain rest after the whole day. So yeah, that was pretty much my day today. Nothing too extraordinary, but honestly a pretty good day. Good, good. As my friend made painting, I will need to show you. Was good painting. He's an artist. So yeah, this is that data set. Yeah, so he made me this. This looks so good, man. So good, so good, guy. Thank you. Thank you for making me this and so nice. So yeah, this was a pretty good day, and sometimes peaceful day are enough to recharge you mentally for all the peaks you have been through your work routine. And if you have followed this vlog, make sure to like, subscribe, and support this journey before, because we are documenting every day by day. And I will see you guys in the next one. Till then, tata, bye bye. Thank you for being here. Thank you for supporting those comments and like really means a lot to me. The video quite long today. Maybe it's okay, I guess. Bye bye.